welcome to my video. Let's start. Let's learn some colors. Wow, perfect. We have some colors. First, let's count these markers. 1 marker, 2 markers, 3 markers, 4 markers, 5 markers, and 6. We have 6 markers with different colors. The first one is orange color. And then we have sky blue color. Now we have pink color. And then green, light green. Red color. Yellow color. Wow, perfect. Now we have 6 markers and 6 hearts. Perfect, let's start. Black. Purple. Red color. Wow, perfect. Now we have 6 hearts with different colors. Red heart. Green heart. Yellow heart. Blue heart. Pink heart. Pink heart. Orange heart. Okay guys, we are done now and I will see you in the next video. If you want to see my next video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.